Welcome to this MidiManager tutorial video where I'll walk you through the fundamentals of MidiManager. MidiManager is free software that allows you to bind a wide variety of features on your devices. In this tutorial, I will be using version 3.0. If your MidiManager interface appears slightly different, you might be on a later version. MidiManager supports multiple devices. You can select a device over here. For the purposes of this tutorial, I will be using a MIDI device, but rest assured that the concepts I'll be explaining apply universally to all devices. Now that we have selected a device, we can proceed to select some inputs. Once we have selected some input, we can begin to assign functions to them. We can pick any feature from this list, and we can add as many features as we wish. Here are some helpful tips when selecting inputs. You can perform a box selection by clicking and dragging, and you can also select multiple inputs simultaneously by holding down the control key while clicking. Let's select a button and bind a feature on it. Suppose we want this button to pause our music. We can choose the Media Functions feature and, in its settings, select Pause or Play. Notice how the Media Functions icon now appears on this small panel. This panel serves as a quick overview of the features bound to your current selection. If you ever need to reset all binds for a button, simply press this button. Undoing and redoing changes is also possible with these buttons. The Mute Control feature can be used to mute specific programs. For instance, selecting Google Chrome as the program means that when this button is pressed, it will toggle Mute Google Chrome. To set a slider to control the volume of a program, the Program Volume Control feature can be used. For instance, to control iTunes with this slider, select iTunes here. Now, you can use this slider to adjust iTunes volume. MidiManager allows you to create multiple profiles for each device. You might have one profile for gaming and another for streaming. Manage and switch between profiles here. You can also switch profiles with a button on your device using the Profile feature. If you mark a profile as a favorite, MidiManager will automatically use it upon launch. To play audio clips using MidiManager, you'll need the Play Clip feature. To use your own clips, first add them to MidiManager by placing them in a designated folder. Click Manage Clips to open the folder. Once your audio files are in there, you can select the clip in MidiManager. That's it. You now have a solid grasp of MidiManager's basic features. Download MidiManager for free today by following the link in the description. Should you have any questions, require assistance, or wish to suggest new features, please don't hesitate to reach out to us on our Discord server. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.